Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked and has more than 10% battery, because a reboot may be needed. Once done, disconnect any USB cable. Don't risk accidental data access. Now open Settings and go directly to Developer Options. If you don't see it, tap build number 7 times under About Phone to reveal it. You're doing this to disable a low-level bridge between your device and a computer, so proceed to the next step. Once in Developer Options, scroll to the Debugging section. This groups all developer-level connections. You will find a USB debugging toggle. Flip it off. When you do, the system may show a confirmation or list previously authorized RSA keys. Read that prompt and confirm to revoke access. Turning it off stops ADB from connecting without reauthorization, which is why you're disabling it. Make sure no apps require debugging right now, because they'll finish by rebooting the device. This ensures the change is fully applied. After restart, verify that USB debugging remains off in Developer Options. If you must connect via USB, plug in only to check. The computer should not see ADB access without re-enabling debugging. If the phone still appears accessible, go back and use Revoke USB debugging authorizations. Then toggle debugging off and reboot again. That clears saved keys and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.